Good afternoon. My name is Terrence Graves, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to properly install a simple yet fun circuit called railroad lights. And yes, as the name suggests, once your circuit is properly installed, you will have two flashing LEDs. Now, before you get started, you want to make sure that you have all of your proper materials. So you're going to need R1, which is a 6.8 thousand ohm resistor, R2, which is a 33,000 ohm resistor, R3 and 4, which are both 220 ohm resistors, 110 microfarad capacitor, your 555 IC timer chip, breadboard, 9-volt battery source, and two LEDs. Once you verify that you have the materials, you can get ready to start. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is put on your board your timer chip. You want to put them somewhere central, so make sure that you have enough room around your board to maneuver. And two things important to remember about your chip. Pin 8 must go directly to power, and pin 1 must go directly to the ground. So they're correct. Now, this particular circuit, you have to jump pin 4 with pin 8. And jumping a circuit simply no more than just putting a wire. So let's go ahead and do that. And you also have to jump pin 6 with pin 2. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, I already know that this little area is not going to be enough room for all of my components. So I'm going to extend my output lower on the breadboard so I can have more room to maneuver and make it more manageable. So I'm just going to have a wire going from pin 3 somewhere down. Now, once your wires are connected, now you're ready to start putting on your components. Your first component, R1, must go directly from power to pin 7. So let's go ahead and put them on. Your second resistor, R2, must go from pin 7 to pin 6. So let's go ahead and put him on. That's that side. On the opposite side of your timer is where you put your capacitor. He must go from pin 2 to ground. And you must put him in the right way. If you put him in opposite, then it will blow your chip and your circuit is done. So let's go ahead and put them on. Okay. Now we can move down to the output. Both sides of the output are going to look similar to the naked eye, but they're not. You want to first put in your 220 resistor. Just put them there. And then from here, you want to put in your first LED. This LED is going to go to your power. So you want to make sure that you put them in the correct way, same way with the capacitor. So have them from the resistor going to power. That's that side. Your opposite side of the output, it does look familiar, but it isn't. You have your 220 ohm resistor, put them in, and then put in your LED. But this LED is going to go from the resistor to ground. That's the difference. So make sure you put them in the right way. Now the circuit is properly hooked up. I should be able to flip a switch. I should have lights. Let's see. We have lights. The only thing I'm missing now is the train. This has been my demonstration. Have a good day.